We request for your attention over the next few minutes. In this video, we are going to show you some really interesting facts and figures that can help you fast-track your profits. We are going to discuss two different technologies that can be used for the same work and benefits and shortcomings for each of these technologies. The first technology is a limited swing machine that moves on tires, while the second one is a 360-degree swing technological marvel that moves on tracks, and hence the name Tyre to Track. The engine bonnet of the backhoe loader is too narrow. Checking the engine and transmission oil levels is challenging as they are located between the loader arm cylinder and the engine. The operator must climb onto the loader arm to reach the engine compartment and perform routine maintenance such as checking the coolant level, ROC, and brake oil level. The operator then has to get back into the cabin to reposition the machine for further maintenance tasks, which takes up extra time and is strenuous for them. The backhoe loader has more than 50 grease points between its backhoe bucket and loader bucket, which lengthens the time for regular maintenance of the machine and causes greater fatigue for the operator. It is difficult to gain access to the powertrain universal joint greasing beneath the machine, and operators have to crawl underneath it to do so, making it a tiresome and hazardous task. A backhoe loader typically uses a glass bowl style air pre-cleaner. The operator must ascend the machine and take off the pre-cleaner glass bowl to clear away any dust that has built up, which takes extra time and can cause fatigue. The total time taken for regular upkeep of the machine is 18 to 20 minutes. Now, let's take a look at the second technology that is capable of 360-degree work envelope, resulting in superior productivity. SANY SY60C has gas strut-assisted engine bonnets in addition to large and fully open metallic panels. This makes it simple for operators to reach all important maintenance components, which makes routine maintenance very easy. The operators will feel less fatigued because it is possible to check the oil and filters, coolant level, hydraulic oil level, water separator, ROC unit, starter motor, and alternator while standing comfortably on the ground. There are only 19 greasing points on the SANY SY60C excavator. Routine maintenance can be completed quickly, saving time for productive work. Less greasing points means low grease consumption, and low grease consumption results in low maintenance cost and high machine uptime. The SANY SY60C excavator provides space for a grease gun, allowing fast and efficient completion of maintenance tasks, thus saving time. The total time taken is only 5 to 6 minutes as compared to 18 to 20 minutes on a limited swing machine. The operator seat in SANY SY60C comes with adjustable handrests and headrests, which offer increased comfort. On the other hand, backhoe loaders do not have any handrests, making it difficult for operators to work for longer periods of time. Moreover, SANY SY60C has an integrated horn and effortless joystick for convenient operation over extended periods. In contrast, backhoe excavator doesn't have an integrated horn, which may be problematic in emergency situations. The advanced design push-button type engine start system and a luxury car-like interiors provides improved comfort for the operator. The traditional key ignition switch on the backhoe loader increase the likelihood of overcranking and may result in starter failure and cost the user more money to maintain the battery. The operator can quickly select the prompt engine RPM in SANY SY60C that's compatible with the conditions at the site thanks to a dial-type engine speed control with speed selection range indication. Throttle cable controls on the backhoe loader leads to RPM fluctuation and reduces the overall performance of the machine and battery life. The hydraulic lockout switch on SANY SY60C allows the operator to simply separate the hydraulic function and prevent unintentional machine movement, which increases the safety of operators and on-site personnel. Absence of any such safety feature on backhoe loaders make it very unsafe. SANY SY60C also has a standard AC cabin with 6 air vents for optimal cooling. This allows the operator to operate with ease, even in hot and dusty conditions. Backhoe, on the other hand, do not offer an air-conditioned cabin. As a result, the operators are forced to operate the machine with open doors. This leads to entry of worksite heat, dust, and rainwater, making it uncomfortable for the operator. For smooth and quick handling, the SANY SY60 incorporates a pilot-controlled joystick for dozer operation. SANY SY60C has a larger and longer suspension operator seat, resulting in reduced vibrations and higher operator comfort. Operator seat on SANY SY60C has a car-like full-floor mounting. Backhoe loaders' seats, on the other hand, have low backrest and are single-pillar mounted chairs that reduce overall work efficiency and lower operator comfort when operating in difficult underfoot conditions. SANY SY60C has an informative and intelligent 7-inch touchscreen color user-friendly display, which is very useful for easy real-time machine performance monitoring, better machine performance control, and self-diagnostic system, which keeps the operator more comfortable and productive, resulting in optimum machine performance with high machine uptime. Backhoe loader has a 2-inch display that is not helpful and is not a user-friendly device and provides minimal information. SANY SY60C is equipped with Bluetooth phone communication, display-controlled AC, a wide range of operational parameters, self-diagnostics. The backhoe loader lacks Bluetooth connectivity and an AC system, which contributes to poor operator comfort. SANY SY60C offers several modes with feather touch controls, including the default Eco mode and 3 optimized working modes, which allow the operator to select the best operating conditions for the application and achieve maximum performance. Backhoe loaders have rocker controls and no Eco or RPM control operating modes, resulting in poor performance. Smooth and effortless pilot control joysticks allow effortless operation for extended periods of time. Mechanical linkage controlled worker levers for backhoe attachments and front loaders slow down the action. SANY SY60C includes a USB music system and an FM radio operated by a touchscreen display and mobile holding tray with anti-slip pad. Improves operator comfort. The music system on the backhoe loader is traditional with manual switch controls. SANY SY60C has a clear front view visibility as there are no obstructions, whereas the high air pre-cleaner and engine exhaust pipe on the front bonnet of a backhoe loader reduces front and side visibility. SY60 has 360-degree swing rotation and pivot steering. The operator may simply reposition the equipment, increasing machine efficiency and worksite safety. Whereas we have limited rear side view in the backhoe loader, so the operator must constantly check behind when in reverse, which makes operations more difficult and increases risk. Offset side-mounted operator seats of SY60 allow a clear view of the bucket and reduce the possibility of an accident while working in areas with congestion. It also improves operator comfort when compared to the center-mounted operator seat of a backhoe loader. It has an impact on the visibility of the backhoe bucket dig end since the attachment is situated in the center. In addition to being unsafe, low visibility takes additional time to complete the work. The SANY SY60C can be self-loaded quickly onto a truck because of its compact design. This makes it easier to transport on a truck that can go at average speeds of up to 60 km per hour. Transportation by a truck can happen at much faster speed, resulting in low transit time. The time saved in transportation can be used for additional production, resulting in higher earnings. Compare this to a backhoe loader that has to be self-driven at an average speed of 20 km per hour in order to be moved from one site to another. The transit takes more time and slows down the operation there by losing production. Rental income is lost as a result of the unproductive time due to long duration trips. The long travel also exhausts the driver, which reduces the operator's productivity once it reaches the work site. SY60C offers 360-degree swing feature, which leads to improved machine utilization and higher revenues. If the operator wants to shift material from one way to the opposite direction, the backhoe attachment can only swing 180 degrees, resulting in lost time and rental revenue. The SANY SY60 has a heavy-duty undercarriage, which results in excellent maneuverability in rough underfoot situations, which leads to improved machine stability and utilization. Whereas backhoe loader is a tire-mounted machine, which is difficult to operate in rough, rocky terrain. Continuous usage of backhoe in rocky conditions leads to high maintenance cost due to a frequent tire puncture and low tire life. Low tire life alone can contribute to around Rs 2 to 2.5 lakhs in a single year. The SANY SY60C excavator can handle the muddy underfoot conditions with ease due to the excellent traction force, large ground contact area, and high gradability offered by steel track chains. The ground contact area of a backhoe loader is smaller and the ground bearing pressure is very high, coupled with low traction force. As a result, operating in muddy underfoot conditions becomes extremely tough. Due to ground bearing pressure, the machine may sink and the tires may slip and lose traction when moving, making it extremely dangerous to work in muddy conditions. Access to isolated spaces with narrow roads gets limited because of the large machine width. Now, let us have a look on the performance of SY60C against that of a backhoe loader while digging a trench 33 feet long, 2.4 feet wide and 2 feet deep. There are only 3 steps to be followed by the operator for repositioning the machine in SANY SY60C. First, dozer blade up. Second, machine positioning by tracking. Third, dozer blade down. This reduces the time spent for unproductive work and enhances the overall productivity of the machine. Whereas 7 steps must be taken by the operator of the backhoe loader each time the machine is repositioned during a trenching operation. First, stabilizer retraction. Second, 180-degree seat rotation. Third, loader bucket up. Fourth, MC positioning by travel selection. Fifth, loader bucket down. Sixth, rotate seat 180 degree towards backhoe side. Seventh, extension of stabilizer. SY60C is 23% faster and consumes 45% less fuel as compared to backhoe loader for this particular task due to additional steps taken by the backhoe loader and advanced hydraulic system and operator comfort of the SY60C. If a customer gets a continuous trenching project, then SY60C will help the customer to earn an additional Rs 16,474 per kilometer as compared to backhoe loader. Now let us take a look on the performance of SY60C against that of a backhoe loader while digging a pond of 18 meters length, 10 meters width and 1.5 meters depth. The SY60C excavators start off the work immediately without spending time on unproductive work of repositioning, whereas backhoe loader takes more time to reposition itself, leading to slower output. During this task of pond digging, the SY60C excavator is working in S10 mode and backhoe loader is working in power mode. SY60C is 24% faster, consumes 22% less fuel and 32% higher productivity as compared to backhoe loader for this particular task, due to the additional steps taken by the backhoe loader and advanced hydraulic system and operator comfort of the SY60C. This will help the customer to earn an additional 91,703 rupees in a month for this project. The boom cylinder rod on the SANY SY60C excavator is protected, but the cylinders on the backhoe loader are not, and there is a risk of cylinder damage while operation in backhoe loaders that can increase the repair expenses. Dozer cylinder guard in SANY SY60C protects the cylinders while working in the most dangerous and demanding applications. The hydraulic operation isolation safety lever helps to minimize accidents caused by the unintentional hydraulic lever actuation. However, it is extremely dangerous while moving a backhoe digger through cities or densely populated regions, as there is no such safety features on backhoe loaders. The battery disconnect switch aids in immediately isolating the electric current during maintenance, whereas the battery terminal on a backhoe loader must be removed before performing any welding maintenance or electrical circuit repairs. SANY SY60C excavator is fitted with a fire extinguisher and an emergency window glass breaking hammer. For increased safety, there is no fire extinguisher on the backhoe loader. SANY SY60C has belly guards and undercovers to protect internal components from external impact while working in severe underfoot circumstances. However, without these, there is considerable risk of internal component damage due to external impact on backhoe loaders. During an emergency, the SANY SY60C excavator has a ground-level emergency engine shut-off switch. However, if there is an emergency, there is no way to turn off the machine from the ground level on a backhoe loader. SY60C excavator, while working adjacent to a wall for applications like trenching, can rotate 180 degrees, while the backhoe loaders can only rotate 45 degrees, resulting in loss of time and reducing the productivity. The SANY SY60C offers effortless and quick maneuverability even in very steep gradient conditions because of its sturdy undercarriage that offers superior grip and traction. This also ensures operator's safety while the machine is traveling uphill or downhill. A backhoe loader has low gradability, making it difficult to run the machine in steep gradient conditions due to poor traction. The operator has to use a backhoe attachment, loader attachment, stabilizer, steering, and transmission simultaneously for climbing the gradient, which leads to high risk in operation and may lead to an accident. Even expert operators find it difficult to run their machines on such gradients, resulting in loss of time and income. This also adds to high maintenance cost.